Imagine you wake up one sunny morning. You feel super happy and ready for the day. You walk into your kitchen to get some breakfast. But wait, what is that squishy feeling under your feet? You look down. You see a huge puddle of water on the floor. It's everywhere. Your beautiful wooden floor is soaked. Your favorite rug is ruined. You wonder where all this water came from. It feels like a mini flood happened inside your house while you were sleeping. This is not the good morning you were hoping for. Now you have a big, wet mess to deal with. Your heart sinks a little. You start looking around, trying to find the source. You check the sink, dry. You look at the dishwasher, fine. Then you notice a dark, wet spot on the wall behind the refrigerator. A tiny, slow drip from a pipe hidden inside the wall. This drip has been going for weeks, maybe months. A secret leak, slowly causing damage. The water built up and finally created the puddle you woke up to. It's a frustrating situation many people face. Hidden leaks are a homeowner's nightmare. The damage isn't just surface water. It seeps into the floors, it soaks the walls, and it can reach the foundation. This leads to mold, bad for health, and it makes your home weak and unsafe. Fixing it costs a lot and takes time. You might have to replace floors, repair walls, hire professionals to remove mold, all from one tiny sneaky drip. Beyond our own four walls, think about our cities. But many of these pipes are very old. They can crack and break, causing giant leaks that nobody sees because they are buried deep underground. This wastes a huge amount of precious, clean water. In a world where many places don't have enough water, saving every drop is incredibly important. When cities lose water through these hidden leaks, it's a loss for everyone who lives there. It's like leaving a giant tap running 24/7. To make up for the loss, water treatment plants have to work harder, using more energy to clean and pump more water. This increases pollution and costs the city a lot of money. Money that could have been used for other important things, like building parks, improving schools, or fixing roads. By finding and fixing these leaks quickly, cities can save millions of gallons of water every single day. This helps protect our environment, saves money for the city, and ensures that there is enough clean water for everyone to use for drinking, cooking, and bathing. Early leak detection is all about being proactive instead of reactive. So how do we find these sneaky leaks before they cause trouble? The answer is a super smart technology called artificial intelligence, or AI for short. Don't let the big names scare you. The idea is actually quite simple. Think of AI as a computer brain that can learn things, almost like a human does. You know how you get better at a video game the more you play it? You start to recognize patterns and learn the best moves to win. AI does something very similar, but instead of playing games, it learns from information, which we call data. It's like having a brilliant detective on the case 24/7. This computer brain isn't born smart. We have to teach it. We feed the AI tons and tons of data. In the case of water pipes, we would give it information about what a normal, healthy pipe system looks like. We show it data on normal water pressure, the usual flow rate, the typical temperature of the water. This is like showing a student what a correct answer looks like in a textbook. The AI studies all this information and learns the normal pattern. After the AI has learned what is normal, we then show it data from pipes that have had leaks.